Built-in searches in Telegram on the Smart Sender platform. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this video we will learn how to create and use inbuilt searches in Telegram funnels. Like and subscribe to our channel. Let's go through the settings based on the T-Shop. This is functionality only works in the Telegram bot. This is my T-Shop funnel, where you can select a product and buy. There are three types of tea here: white, green and black. This is what we will enter later as categories for search. Let's first see how everything works in Telegram. Then we will see how to set up it. Choose the button Preview, select the Sum channel and continue. Click the button Start. This is our first message. Welcome to the virtual shop world of tea. Buy the best values of loose tea in just a couple of clicks. And here we have a permanent menu, and here we have a different menu. Click this button, and if I choose Shop, I can see different type of tea: white, green and black. For example, put the button white. And this is now you can see in bold search for white. For example, if I want change, I can write here, for example, black. And I can see only black tea. If I choose, for example, this tea, I can reading description for this tea and I can buy this tea. If I need to back, click the button back, and this is I can see all menu. This is shop. Of course, it is short menu and an example. Okay guys, now let's see how to set up all of this. The first step, you need to connect the inline search feature to the selected bot via the fuzzer bot. And now we go to the fuzzer bot. I choose a channel and create Telegram, and easier go to fuzzer bot here. Next, and choose this one. Okay, menu, edit your bots. Okay, I choose some bot. Doesn't matter what kind bot now I choose. But if you connected your bot, of course you choose your bot. Bot setting, and this you need to choose inline mode. And click the button Turn on. Yeah. For example, if I choose my bot, which working now, edit your bot, and this is one. Go to setting and inline mode. It's now working. I did this previously. Okay guys, in addition to the fact that we have enabled the ability to search, we also need to set up the display of the products card, which we saw in the test. It was on the here. This is card. And our next step, we go to Grow Tools, Inline Search on the platform Smart Sender. Smart Sender, the first we connect our bot, we activate this as a feature. Next step, we go to Grow Tools, and here choose Telegram Inline Searches and click this one. I have here some categories and results, but I show you how it is create. Click the button create. For example, this is some test. Continue. Click in here, and the first we are create a categories. Click the button create. In our lesson we have 3 categories. It is black tea, white tea, and green tea. I write, for example, tea, white, continue. Second one, tea, black, continue. Or I want to show all category and create I want to show all products, and I create some category all products and continue. Okay guys, we are create a category. Next step, we go to back, click in the name this one, it was a test. We created categories here, and now we create a result. You can add some card. This is card. This is one. Add. I choose some image. For example, this one. Tick this. And a title. For example, T1. Description. This is T. Some description. Doesn't matter. And here I choose category. For example, it is white tea. I choose a white tea, but I want that this is product can see with user choose all products, and I can select two, all products too, and continue. And I add another one and an example. This one, tick here, title, T2, description, and select category all products plus black tea. Continue. Okay guys, now we create only pictures and name a product for in-built search. That's all. But we need to add a product. For example, if I choose this one, some product, I receive this is message. I need add here this is message. We do this with some trigger. For example, this is I back to my flow, and near all of my products I have some trigger. Name this trigger. It is a name this tea. For example, first one, this is one. I copy this is name, the trigger, back our setting, and here I add some action plus and fire event and continue. I put name this is trigger. What does it mean? If the user choose this product in search, this one, he will be received this is description, this is product card. This is only an example how to set up. Go to a Really card and choose our inline searches I created previously. Okay guys, and here we see we created some card for Telegram searching only for this, and here we add some fire event this trigger. Next one, we have some another T, and we have here some image this product, we have a little bit description this product, and fire event, call this event. This is one. Really, this is all very easy. The first step, we are created a categories. We add this category when we create some products cards, which we can see this one. And next step, we need to send some long description. This is product. Okay, guys, we creating our inline search for this shop, and I want to describe you a little more about a funnel. Back our funnel. The first step after starting step, you need to subscribe to Telegram inline search. How it is doing? Add some perform actions, and here we choose subscribe to Telegram inline search. And next step, we choose the search. This is our test we created previously, and this is funnel work. And continue. This is all time the first step. Delete this one. This is the first message. Next, it is menu for Telegram, and here we can choose type of team. We didn't see any lines to a message because this will create another. It is only for Telegram. Send a message. This type. Choose Telegram. It is possible only with Telegram. Next step, text. Write some text. Add button, and here we choose something different. It is, for example, white team, and here choose Telegram inline search. We choose this one, and this one we need to enter name this menu. Back to building in search console here, and I know call these categories white 2. Copy this one and back to floor and write this is one white and save. Okay, and for example, second one, our category, it is black tea. Telegram inline search. Go this panel, and it is call this category black 2. Back and enter this name. And for example, I want all category, and at the bottom, for example, all products. Choose this one and call this category all menu 2. This is only name for category, and save. And now this is a work without any link, any connection with some products here. If you want to find name your category, go this menu, categories, and here you have all menu, green, black and white. I added 2 because I have this shop 2 different language, and of course for them I need to create a different name. Okay guys, and delete this as one. This is all easy. Go for this size, and this is our really shop, white and white category. If you want something delete, you can delete this button, you can create or editing something another. Now white 222, it's not working because we don't have this category. Okay guys, now I repeat again what we can do. The first step, we need to on our built-in source on the Telegram through the bot further. The next step, you need to create your built-in searches through the Grow tools. The next step, you need to add perform action in your funnel. Okay guys, today we have figured out how to run a product search inside Telegram bot for a shop or any other type of business. Like and subscribe to our channel, don't miss new lesson. See you soon guys.